On third reading, I move for the approval of Provincial Ordinance number 2023-310, an ordinance establishing the mobile library in the Province of Iloilo and appropriating funds thereof, authored by the Honorable Vice Governor Christine S. Garin, co-sponsored by the Honorable Jason R. Gonzalez, Carol V. Espinosa, the Honorable Ramon G. Soliano.
For those who are in favor, please raise your right hand, Mr. Secretary.
Madam Chair, all members present voted in favor of the ordinance.
With all members voting, the Provincial Ordinance number 2023-310, entitled an ordinance establishing the mobile library in the province of Iloilo and appropriating funds thereof, authored by Honorable Vice Gov. Christine Garin and co-sponsored by Honorable Jason Gonzalez and Honorable Carol V. Espinosa Diaz, is now approved under third and final reading.
Next